Hey Charmers, hi! Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time watching our videos, hi, my name is Darlene and today I'm going to be creating this eye look, summer makeup look for you guys. I'm using the Philip Orange palette by Touch in Soul, which come in one of the variations for this month's base box. So if you want to learn how to create this look, then just keep on watching. All right, you guys, I'm going to start off with the color Affogato and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. It's a very light brown and I'm using a very fluffy brush to just place that right on my crease because I don't want the next color to look like if it was like just floating, if it will. So I'm just placing that color. As you can see, I'm not being too careful about it. Again, this is just going to serve as my transition shade. All right, you guys, now that I have my transition shade on, I'm gonna go in with the color Chai-Fu, which is a very light orange. It's super pretty. And I'm gonna use my finger to place it all over my lid. All right, you guys, and this is how the color looks like. It's very subtle. It's really, really pretty. If you are more into like a more fresh look, this definitely will be the right look for you. I'm gonna pack it on a little more, just a little extra. So we're gonna get to that, but let me first do the other eye off camera. Okay, Charmer, so now with a smaller blending brush, I'm gonna take the color Espresso and I'm gonna focus that only on my outer corner. I don't want to put it like too crazy where it goes like everywhere because my eyes are personally like small. So I'm just gonna keep it very much on the outer part of my eye and I'm going to blend it out ever so slightly. All right, you guys, now that I have both eyes completed, it's a little smoked out situation in the outer corner. I did it more towards my brow, but again, that's just because my eyes are small. But if you have like really large eyes, you can totally do the same shape, but like a little more rounded and it will work just as fine. Now I'm gonna use the shade Caution Hot, which is the pressed glitter in the palette. And I'm gonna use a brush for this because I don't want too much of it. And I'm literally going to dab the sparkles all over my eyelid. I'm going to keep the outer corner free of any glitters as I want that to stay dark, nice, and smoked out. But again, you can totally do this again with your finger if you want the pigmentation and actually the glitters to be like really packed. So now that I have the top part done, or at least most of it is done, I'm gonna take that color Espresso one more time and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line and I'm only going to go halfway and then blend it out. All right, for the eyeshadow part, the last step would be to highlight the inner corner. For that color, I'm going to use Brown Sugar, which is super pretty, and I'm literally just going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. It's so cute. I'm also going to do a little bit of that color on my brow bone and also a little bit right here in my lower lash line as I only brought that brown color halfway. All right, Charmers, so I'm going to apply my mascara and also my lashes and I will be right back with the final look. All right, Charmers, and this is my final look. I loved it. I obviously applied lashes, but it's okay if you're not into lashes. You can totally just get away with it with 2 coats of your favorite mascara. But yeah, what do you guys think? I feel like it's the perfect summer makeup look if you ask me. Like I feel glammed, honey. I am ready. But anyways, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. Remember, this is just an option. You can totally, you know, kind of like play around with this and just make it your own. Don't forget to obviously like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.